Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another video related to top schools in Pokhara Valley. Pokhara, one of the major cities of Nepal, is located in a scenic beauty environment in western region of Nepal. It also serves as the provincial capital of the Gandaki Pradesh. The lakes, the incredible view of the Annapurna range of the Himalayas, and the natural beauty of the valley itself are the major attraction of Pokhara. Pokhara is considered one of the best tourist destinations in Nepal. Apart from that, Pokhara is also an education-centric destination for the other districts nearby. The best schools in Pokhara also come under the best schools in Nepal. Pokhara has many of the best schools with high quality education and a social impact on the people. Here we have prepared the list of best secondary schools in Pokhara. This list is as per the data of 2020 and may be varied than the previous list. There are other really good schools in Pokhara. However, this is the first series of best school in Pokhara. Definitely, we will include more schools in our next series. The schools in the list are not ranked as per the order of best among them. Moreover, we consider this list as an informative guide for students and guardians to find the best schools in Pokhara. We have prepared this list with the details such as faculties, teachers' qualifications, teacher-student ratio, boys-girls ratio, teaching non-teaching staff ratio. We have SOS Minor School, Gandaki. It is one of the top schools of Nepal, located at Pokhara 15 Rambazar. The school has been serving excellence in the field of education since 1980 that is 2039 BS. Being a social service non-profit making organization, serves the society by imparting quality education on affordable fees. The school runs under the umbrella of international humanitarian organization SOS Kinderdorf International, founded by Professor Dr. Herman Miner in 1949. SOS Children Village provides not only accommodation but also a family-like environment for orphan and abandoned children. New students are admitted every year only in grade nursery, grade 6 and grade 11. The school has highly qualified academic staff with 32 of them having a master's degree. Next one is Amar Singh Model Higher Secondary School. It is the oldest government school of Pokhara, established in the year 2013 BS with a very good reputation. It has been serving as an educational foundation by creating a social impact on the people living in Pokhara and nearby. It is a government school and has both English and Nepali medium of teaching. The school also runs the Braille medium of teaching for children with visual impairment. It received its award as a model school in 2004 AD, also achieved the Best Regional Community School Award in the year 2005, 2007 and 2008 AD. Next one is Gandaki Boarding School. Gandaki Boarding School, known as GVS, is one of the oldest community schools of Pokhara. It was established in 1966 AD, that is 2023 BS. GVS is the first of few schools to introduce Plus 2 in Nepal. GVS extended its dimension in 1999 AD by introducing software engineering in the bachelor level as Gandaki College of Engineering and Science GCES under the affiliation of Pokhara University. GVS is a regional school providing high quality education and creating a strong foundation for education in Nepal. GVS also provides government scholarships to the 25% of the total students. Also, the deserving students are rewarded with the scholarship by international sponsors. Up next is New Model Dynamic Academy. Established in 2037 BS, New Model Dynamic Academy is the second oldest private school in Pokhara. Formerly, it was known as New Model School. After merging with another school, Dynamic Academy, in the year 2075 PS, it got its name as the New Model Dynamic Academy. It is one of the reputed schools of Pokhara. High quality education and discipline helps the students to shape a better career. The school has highly qualified academic staff with the 15 of them having a master's degree. Another one is Nepal Adarsa Avisay Vidyalaya. Nepal Adarsa Avisay Vidyalaya is one of the best private schools of Pokhara, located in Leknath area. It was established in 1996 AD, that is 2052 BS. The school has been providing quality education and helping students to shape a better career. The school has highly qualified academic staff, with 8 of them having a master's degree. Students are highly encouraged to take part in competitive extracurricular activities. Next is BMG Secondary School. Birds of Marigold Secondary School, which is commonly known as BMG Secondary School, is one of the oldest private schools in the Leknath area. It was established in 1990 AD. The school has been serving as one of the pillars of strong education in the Leknath Valley. The school has highly qualified academic staffs, with 9 of them having a master's degree. Self-discipline, attitude building and quality education for students makes it one of the reputable schools of Pokhara. These are the top schools in Pokhara. For more details, please read it on www.joinread.com. If you like this video, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Keep loving us. Thank you. Take care.